Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using Microsoft Phone Link linked to your Android phone with link to Windows, then just to let you know that you may be interested that Microsoft is working on remote Windows 11 shutdown controls that could let Android users restart, shut down, and put their PCs to sleep through the link to Windows app. Now, this is according to a post by Windows Latest. I'll leave the article in the description, where references to the feature have appeared inside the Android app's code. And although this is the case, Microsoft has not yet enabled the controls yet, so it's still very early days, and this is stuff that Microsoft is working on internally. Now, while going through the Android APK for link to Windows, Windows Latest found a batch of unused string resources connected to a component labeled Remote Control Manager. And a debug log was generated for a build dated August the 25th, 2026, and it shows a flag called RS Remote PC Controls V2 enabled, set to enabled false, along with experiment enabled false, confirming the feature exists in code but is not turned on for anyone using the app yet. And I think the important bit with this is newly discovered strings that reveal several commands Microsoft appears to be preparing. Here we can see putting PC to sleep, restarting PC, shutting down PC, restart, shutdown. And the last two options, I think, do suggest that Microsoft plans to connect the feature with Windows Update. So you'd be able to install pending updates while remotely restarting or shutting down your PC using the Phone Link app. Now, Microsoft also appears, due to these strings, to be adding safeguards before executing these commands, where remote shutdown and restart actions will show confirmation dialogues, warning users that they could lose unsaved work. So if Windows needs to finish installing an update, link to Windows will then display an additional warning before proceeding. And then according to some more strings and code that was spotted, sleep works differently, with Microsoft saying that putting the PC to sleep will disconnect the phone, so that means you will need to wake the computer manually before reconnecting. I think that kind of goes without saying. Now, at this stage, Microsoft has not yet enabled the feature for testers, so there's currently no way to actually try this out. Still, the number of strings we've looked at does suggest development may already be fairly advanced. And I'm sure that we're going to see this start rolling out to the Insider program at first, quite shortly actually. And obviously, if I get knowledge of that and I can show you something in real time, obviously I'll repost and keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.